In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your settings here in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to hit the three lines up in the top left. In order to get these to pop up, you have to select these three dots first and then you'll see them. But select that and then go ahead and navigate into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you'll see different sections like graphics, audio, controls, keybinds, and other. You can adjust your graphics for better performance or visuals in this tab. You can adjust your audio just by changing these volume settings in this tab. For controls, you can enable things like toggle sprint right, so you don't have to hold to sprint, right? And you can also change your dribble style as well. And then if you go to keybinds, you can change your button layout, whether it's for keyboard or mouse or controller, it's up to you. Just go through every section and change it to your preference, and that is it. That's the entire process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.